Hello, how to solve for s in this equation s squared plus 8x minus 7 is equal to 0 using the method of completing the square. Solution. We have the given equation s squared plus 8x minus 7 is equal to 0. This can be written as s squared plus 8x is equal to 7. Now, the coefficient of s squared here is 1, the coefficient of x here is 8, and the constant is 7. We need to add to both sides of this equation the square of half of the coefficient of x here. That is, we have the coefficient of x, 8x, this is 8, then the half is 8 divided by 2, and this is equal to 4. Now, we need to take the square. Let's add this to both sides of this equation. That is, we have s squared plus 8x plus 4 squared is equal to 7 plus 4 squared. Now, this is s squared plus 8x plus 4 squared is equal to 7 plus 4 squared, that is 16. Then this 6s squared plus 8s plus 4 squared is equal to 7 plus 16, that is 23. Now, at this point, we have this s square here and this 4 square. So, and the sign here is positive, here is positive. So, we have s square plus this 4 square is equal to 23. Then this can be written as, because of the same power, s plus 4 all square is equal to 23. Now, let's square both sides. Let's take the square root of both sides of this equation. This is square root of s plus 4 all square is equal to plus or minus square root of 23. This cancel this. Here is s plus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 23. But square root of 23 is equal to 4.80. Then this can be written as s is equal to, if you take this to the other side, become minus 4 plus or minus 4.80. Then s is equal to minus 4 plus 4.80, or s is equal to minus 4 minus 4.80. Now let's consider this. Minus 4 plus 4.80. Then s is equal to 0.80, or minus 4 minus 4.80. This is minus 8.80. Therefore, x1 is equal to 0.80 and s2 is equal to minus 8.80. These are the values of x. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.